You have a bunch of people that don't have the power of the machine, but have the power of their numbers, that immediately point out the ridiculousness of the propaganda that's coming out of Israel. Let's talk about how silly and ridiculous their propaganda is, right? They have lied so many times at this point, but I want you to imagine a world where social media didn't exist, right? The lies would have been run with and there would have been no counter voice, no counterbalance. But here, subhanAllah, we have a connection to this very particular line. To not affirm a liar, either actively or passively, and to instead say that this is kadhib, this is a lie, and to respond with the truth. Now here's the interesting thing about this hadith and how it all comes together at the end. The Messenger of Allah ﷺ says, I am from that person and they are from me, and that is a person that will drink from my hand at the hawd, at the fountain. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us amongst those people.